Hi, I'm Josie Sorensen. I'm a senior at Utah State University studying food science. Through that, I've had the opportunity to work at the Aggie Chocolate Factory here on campus. I've been working there since it opened in 2018, and through that I had the opportunity to do an internship in Germany at a chocolate factory called Delitzsche Schokolade and Fabrik. While there, I worked in product development, working to make new chocolates, and as part of that I learned how to tabletop or hand-temper chocolate, which is what I'll be showing you guys how to do today. So for this, you'll just need a few things. First, you need either granite or marble, whether that's a countertop or a cutting board. You'll also need 2 metal spatulas, a bowl and a rubber spatula, and a thermometer, preferably a probe thermometer, and finally a chocolate mold to put your chocolate in. Start by melting your chocolate in the microwave to between 40 and 45 degrees Celsius. I start with 1-minute increments until it starts to melt, and then move to 30-second increments until it starts to get soupy, and finally 15-second increments to temperature, stirring well in between each time. Once it's completely melted, make sure the temperature is above 40 degrees but below 45, and this can be done on a double broiler in the stove as well. Pour 2/3 of the chocolate onto your marble. Take the smaller metal spatula and spread it out. If it's thin, immediately start scraping. If it's thick, leave it there for a few seconds to cool. Then work the chocolate by scraping it all back into the middle. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. You'll feel it start to thicken. Then transfer it back to the bowl, stir well, and measure your temperature. For dark chocolate, you'll want it between 30 and 31 degrees Celsius. For milk chocolate, you'll want it between 29 and 30 degrees. And for white chocolate, you'll want it between 28 and 29 degrees. If it's above temperature, pour out a little more chocolate and work it across the marble, then put it back in. But if it's too low, you'll have to start over, making sure to reheat it all the way back up to 40 degrees Celsius. Once at temperature, pour the chocolate into your molds and shake vigorously to get out air bubbles. Then take your large metal spatula and scrape off the top. Place it in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. If it was tempered correctly, it should just fall out of the mold when you turn it over. This is a unique way to mold chocolate because it's the first and original way that chocolate was tempered. For large production, it's obviously not the best method, but if you're doing it at home or smaller production, it's a really easy way and fast way to temper your chocolate, as well as being the preferred artisan style for tempering chocolate.